Well, good morning. Let's see. Why is there? There we are.
Hey,
All right. Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. We are back. Let's see. Facebook has changed the screen again, so still
completely. Lot
so trying
different.
to figure out where everything is and all that good stuff. So, um, welcome. Glad you're watching this video, whether you're watching it live or whether you're watching it sometime during the week. We're glad that you're taking an opportunity to watch this. We try to keep these videos really short so that it's not taking a lot of time out of your day.
But sometimes you or I just start talking and we just don't stop.
That's right. Sometimes it goes a little long. So I am going to try to pop up a question here. I don't know if you'll be able to comment later during the week, but I do want to know who is, are you going to the show in Charlotte in February? Are you going to the
Uh, oh,
show in Charlotte?
while he's doing that, I'll just keep talking. We really appreciate you being here. We look forward to doing this every week. Just getting out in front of you, just to get your responses. While I would make sure that you're a part of our Bookstore Manager users group. It's just Bookstore Manager users. You can search for that on Facebook. Also, we just have Bookstore Manager software on Facebook. So just make sure you're plugging in there. That's where we get a lot of our good ideas. If you have an idea you think would make the software better, throw it out there, and we'll do our best to put it in place. Today, we are going to talk about one of those enhancements we got from our users group that we've actually implemented recently. So let's see, maybe that poll will show up.
Maybe. We'll see.
Maybe.
Perfect.
I don't know. If you see a poll, please take it.
Yeah, comment
And it
below
might be over
and-
there. There.
Yeah, we don't
Up
really
here,
know where
down
it
there.
is.
I don't know.
Where's comments?
They moved it.
All right,
It
we'll
used to be
find it.
over there.
That's okay. We're good.
Well, we'll do our best to reply to comments live. Hey, Danny, you're gonna go. That's fantastic. Miss seeing you the last couple, so that'll be awesome.
All right. So glad you're here. Like John said, gosh, we're a little lacking of sleep.
Yeah, a little bit.
We actually went and watched. We drove a few hours to see Michael Bublé last night, and so
Fantastic.
enjoyed spending some time with family. Well, they're like family.
Yeah.
Randy went, and so had a good time there. But we're here today. Um, John's going to talk a little
Should
bit
we
about a
sing
feature.
song?
No,
No.
no,
All right,
no.
fine.
Not today. But John's going to
Mhm.
share a little bit about a feature that for version 9 stores. This feature should help you really if you're having some issues with users not getting out of the software, and then you're trying to get in on another station
Yeah.
and it's kicking you out. So John's going to kind of just go over that real quick.
Yeah. So with version 9, sometimes, so if you're licensed for 4 users, but maybe you have 7 or 8 computers with the software on it, which is fine. You can have the software loaded. But sometimes if you try to get in that one extra user, it'll say you've exceeded your user license. And so I think Kevin at Joy was actually the one that gave us the idea, but just a way to automatically close out if it's not in use. And so we have actually added that. You mind if I turn your keyboard?
No, go ahead.
Okay. So let's see. You're not in the software yet. Okay. So where you can do that, Post-it's attacking me. You go into on each station, and this isn't a variable that you can set on each. So maybe a point of sale, you might say, okay, leave that logged in for maybe 5 minutes. But like on a back computer that's not used very often, maybe time it out after maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So it's easy change. You just and if you're on version 9, you got this automatic weekly update. So you should have got this last week. Well, what is it? Or this week. So if you don't already have it, no, I think we did send it on Friday. So you should have it. So you go into user ENV, that enter program name, put in your top secret passcode. It'll default to the user you're on. So hit OK. And then you're just going to go over to the miscellaneous tab.
I will say one thing real quick. Notice he said what user you're on because this is customizable. So you can change the timeout for each station. So
yeah. And so at the top right, you see where it says station timeout. And so that's in minutes. So if I put a 1 here and save, now the key thing here is that you can't be in a program. So if you're an IVM, the software, it thinks that you are making a change. So it's not going to do that. So what you want to get in the habit of is just make sure when you're done with something in the software, just go back to the main screen, because that is only going to happen if you're at the main screen.
Yeah, you really want to be on this dashboard screen, because if you're in point of sale or in something else, obviously most of your point of sales you probably don't want to time those out. But if you're doing a report or something like that, get in the habit of getting back to this dashboard screen.
Yeah.
And so yeah, so that's just gonna really
if I don't do anything here in the next 30 seconds, we're gonna just
it's gonna actually time out.
Close out.
Just close out.
Mhm.
All right. And so we'll just talk a little bit. Really, also, I do want to share some scripture with you this morning. Just a verse. It's a verse that we use in my Sunday school class. Actually, our class is actually called Expositories 222, and it comes from 2 Timothy 2:2. And what it says is, "What you have heard from me in the presence of many witnesses, commit to faithful men who will be able to teach others also." And it's so important that you are a resource for your local community, and we're called to teach and to pass on our wisdom and knowledge to others so that they can grow up to do the same thing. And so that's kind of our verse today, just 2 Timothy 2:2, and just encouraging everyone to further on that teaching. And so we do want to keep today short, and hopefully I didn't just click on that screen and make it active again. But yeah, take advantage of this. We have a lot of stores on version 9, and so we've got a lot of things coming this way. Oh, one thing I did want to talk about, we were actually going to do websites today. We actually had it scheduled, and then Shane realized that he had a doctor's appointment already scheduled this morning. So
take care of your health.
That's why we are not talking about websites. So we are going to, I believe, talk about websites next week. That'll be exciting. I don't know if John will be with us or not.
I don't know. But if he's going to be a guest appearance and I'm going to swap out, we'll see. Maybe I won't be here. And if I'm not, I love you guys anyway.
So yeah, yes. So other than that, hey, we're going to make this nice and short today for you. We are going to join us next week for hopefully websites. And just, send us any prayer requests you have. Thank you for plugging in. We're going to try to keep this nice and short today. So have a great day, and we really appreciate you.
Bye.